Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss what is cybersecurity and its benefits. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is cybersecurity and its benefits? Cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data from theft, damage, or unauthorized access. In a world that is becoming increasingly reliant on technology, cybersecurity has become essential to ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, availability of information. Some of the specific benefits and usefulness of cybersecurity include: Number 1. Protecting sensitive information. Cybersecurity measures help prevent unauthorized access to sensitive information such as personal data, financial information, and trade secrets. Number 2. Preventing financial losses. Cyber attacks can lead to significant financial losses for individuals and organizations. Cybersecurity measures help prevent financial losses by protecting against fraud and other types of financial crimes. Number 3. Maintaining system availability. Cyber attacks can disrupt or disable computer systems, causing significant downtime and loss of productivity. Cybersecurity measures help ensure that systems remain available and operational. Number 4. Maintain reputation. Cyber attacks can damage an individual's or organization's reputation, causing loss of trust among customers or stakeholders. Cybersecurity measures help prevent such damage and maintain a positive reputation. Number 5. Adhering to regulations. Many industries have specific regulations and compliance requirements related to cybersecurity. Adhering to these regulations can help avoid legal and financial penalties. In summary, cybersecurity is an important field that helps protect individuals and organizations from cyber attacks, financial losses, reputation damage, and legal penalties. So for the reference, we have here National Institute Standards and Technology (NIST) Cybersecurity Framework. This framework provides a set of guidelines for organizations to manage and reduce cybersecurity risk. The framework is widely used in the United States and provides a comprehensive approach to cybersecurity. We have also here Center for Internet Security or CIS controls. The CIS controls are a set of best practices for securing computer systems and networks. The controls are organized into 3 categories: basic, foundational, organizational, and provide a practical approach to cybersecurity. And lastly, we have here SANS Institute. The SANS Institute is a leading organization in cybersecurity education and training. They offer a variety of courses and certifications in various cybersecurity topics including penetration testing, incident response, and network defense. Okay, so this is the end of my presentation about what is cybersecurity and its benefits. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.